How to enable high performance mode in Samsung. Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn step by step how to enable the high performance mode on our Samsung phone to boost up the speed, improve the gaming and get the best performance possible. So let's get started. Open up the settings app first, and once we open up settings we can go to battery settings. So scroll down, look out for battery and device care, and inside there go ahead and look out for the battery option. And once you tap on battery, look out for the option called mode battery settings or something like that. And just go over and find the option of performance mode depending upon your device. And then once you open up your performance mode, it depends on the settings and everything. You just need to select the option of high performance. And that will increase the processing speed, improve the smoothness, boost the gaming performance, and many more. High performance usually uses more battery and your phone might get slightly warmer. It's best to use when gaming or multitasking. Some Samsung phones also allow you to swipe down from the top and look out for the performance or the power mode option. If you find that option of power mode or performance mode here, you can just go and turn on the option from the section right here and enable it, and that should also do it. And that's how we enable high performance mode on Samsung to boost up the speed. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.